Hello everyone, welcome to Rashel's classroom. Today we are solve a interesting maths problem. This radical maths question, it will be square root 16 minus x square plus square root 9 minus x square is equal to 5. X is equal to what? How to solve this interesting maths problem? So solution, our question which is square root 16 minus x square, but you can say that this 16 it will be 9 plus 7. So this is 9 minus x to the power 2 plus 7. Then this is plus square root this 9 minus x square, and this is 5. But at this moment you can say this is 9 minus x square. This is 9 minus x square. So let 9 minus x to the power 2 is equal to t. So at this moment I substitute this value here. So this is square root 9 minus x squared, which is t, plus 7 plus square root, this is 9 minus x squared, which is t, is equal to 5. Now at this moment I use both side whole square, so which is square root t plus 7 plus square root t bracket power is 2 is equal to 5 power is 2. I use both side whole square. Now it will be a plus b whole square, so which is square root t plus 7 bracket power is 2 square plus 2ab. A is square root t plus 7 times b is square root t plus square root t bracket power is 2, I mean b squared, is equal to 25. Because of that, 5 to the power 2, this is 25. Then here square root is cancel, we'll find out it will be t plus 7 plus this is 2 square root t times square root t plus 7 plus square root is cancel, which is t, is equal to 25. Then you can say that this t plus this t, it will be 2t plus, and this is 2 square root, this is t times square root t plus 7, this is equal to 25 minus this 7. If I move on this side, it will be negative 7. Now this is 2t plus 2 times square root t times square root t plus 7, and here is 18. 25 minus 7, this is 18. Then at this moment you can see that here is 2 is common, so if I divide both side 2, or if I take 2 is common, so it will be t plus square root t times square root t plus 7 is equal to 18. Now I divide both sides by 2. If I divide both sides by 2, we will find out t plus square root t square root t plus 7, and this 18 divided 2, this is 9. Now here square root t times square root t plus 7, then this is 9, and if I move on this t in this side, it will be negative t. Now I use both side whole square, so if I use both side whole square, so which is square root t times square root t plus 7 bracket power is 2 is equal to 9 minus t bracket power is 2. I use both side whole square. Now this is square root t bracket power is 2. This is square root t plus 7 bracket power is 2. I separate this case. This is a minus b whole square. It will be a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now square root is cancelled. We'll find out it will be t. Square root is cancelled. This is t plus 7. And this is 9 squared. This is 81 minus this is 18t plus t to the power 2. Now this t times t, this is t to the power 2 plus t times 7, this is 7t, is equal to 81 minus 18t plus t to the power 2. Then you can see that here t squared plus 7t, and if I move on this negative 18 in this side, it will be positive 18t. If I move on this t square in this side, it will be negative t to the power 2 is equal to 81. Now at this moment this t square is cancelled. We'll find out 7t plus 18t, this is 25t, is equal to 81. Then you can see that here t is equal to 81 divide 25. I divide both sides by 25. But recall or remember that t is equal to 9 minus x squared. So I substitute this value here. So it will be 9 minus x to the power 2 is equal to 81 divide 25. Then this is 9 minus 81 divide 25 is equal to x squared. Let's move on this negative x squared in this side, it will be positive x squared. So this is x to the power 2 and this is 9 minus 81 divide 25. Then at this moment you can say this expression, it will be x to the power 2 is equal to this is 25, and this 9 times 25 minus 81, it will be 144. Now at this moment I use both sides square root. Here square root, this is square root 144 over 25. So you can see that here x is equal to plus minus square 144, this is 12, and square root 25, this is 5. So this is our final answer in this radical maths Olympiad question. This is the value of x. X is equal to plus minus 12 over 5. Thank you all. If you enjoyed this math problem, please subscribe my channel for other interesting video. Goodbye. Take care everyone.